Hello students, today we are here with one more new chapter and the name of the chapter is profit, loss and discount. Okay, so in this video, okay, this is the first part of the video. We will be having three parts over this topic, and the first part is over the basics as well as we will clear up the concept regarding what is cost price, what is selling price, what is a loss, and when a profit happens, and what are overhead charges. So all these things we are going to cover in this topic. So let us continue. Let us start the chapter. So okay so the thing is that, for example, suppose wait, I will use an example of the textbook only, and I will try to explain you out what is cost price, what is selling price in your simple words. Okay, now the thing is that a shopkeeper buys the product as electronic goods and cloth from the distributor. For example, this is a distributor. Distributor means who sells the good at a large quantities. Okay, distributor. Okay, what he does, he sells the goods at a large amount. Okay, and it is being brought down by the shopkeeper. What happened to the marker? Okay, wait, let me refill the marker and I will come back to you again. Okay, just wait a second. Done. So now wait, so there is a, what it does to shopkeeper. Okay, shopkeeper is the one who buys the goods, okay, from the distributor. Okay, so goods are coming like this. Goods means what? Or you say products, electronics, just words, just like cloths are there, any TV is there, any other thing, those terms are termed as a goods for the person who sells, who deals over that. Okay, this is called the cost price. So for example, this person is buying a TV, okay, from this distributor. How many? At least 30 is getting from the distributor, and he is paying rupees 55,000. He is paying, how much he is paying? The shopkeeper is paying to the distributor 55,000 for having a TV number 30 TVs. Okay, so here the okay, up to here is okay. Okay, after that he takes this TV to his shop. Okay, from there it goes to his shop. Okay, there he plays everything. Okay, after that he plays the TVs nicely. He prepare the peoples to come and watch out the TVs and tell them everything. He keep the person so that he will explain about the TV specifications. Many other things are there. Okay, he does everything. So what happened from there? The customer will buy the TV. Okay, the customer will get the TV. Okay, so one of the customer got, means he's a big customer. Okay, so what he does, instead of 30 do one, okay, no need for 30, you take 30 only you can take. Okay, so from there, okay, this person or customers, many customers came and got all the TVs, means all TVs are sold, means how many? 30 TVs are being sold for rupees 75,000. Obviously he will make a profit. He got it for 55,000. Obviously he is not doing a social service, so that he will sell it at a 55,000 only. He is here in the market so as to make the profit. For making the profit, he will always sell the goods at a higher price from which he has brought. He has brought for rupees 55,000. Okay, so he is going to sell at a price higher than that one. Okay, then only he will have a profit. Now what is profit? I am saying you profit. What do you mean by profit? First you understand, then I will explain you. So profit means, for example, if I am having just like this is a marker. Okay, I got it for rupees 10. Okay, rupees 10, or not 10, it's very small amount, at least rupees 30. I got it for rupees 30. Okay, and someone of my friend came and he sold me the marker. I told him, okay, I will give it at rupees 40. Because why? Because I got this marker after searching. This bread marker is very important marker. Okay, and throughout the market I have searched it and I got it in one place only. Okay, after so many hassles I got it for rupees 30. So if anyone is coming to me and asking me to give me this marker, obviously I will give him, but not at the price less than the price which I brought. Obviously at the higher price at which I have paid it. So it will be of 40 rupees. I told him I will pay you for, you have to pay me 40 rupees. So he also thought that to search the market is a very big thing. So as I got the market, it's genuine to have a 10 rupees. So he paid me 40 rupees to tell me I brought it for 30 rupees. Okay, he is paying me 40 rupees. So I am getting more money or less money as compared to that what I have paid for the marker. Sir, you are getting more money. How much more money I am getting? Sir, rupees 10. So rupees 10 I am getting, more I am getting, higher than the price what I have paid for it. I have paid 30 rupees for this marker and I am going to get 40 rupees for the marker, means 10 rupees more. So that is a profit for me. Okay, so profit means whenever I will have a price or the amount or the cash higher than the price or the amount, okay, which I have paid to buy the good, that will be termed as a profit. What is the profit? The rupees 10. Clear? Rupees 10 is a profit. So whenever I am using the word as a profit, it means that I have sold the good at a price higher than the price I have paid to bring it down to my shop. Clear? Okay. So now, so he had get he brought the 30 TVs at a price of 55,000 and he is going to he is selling it all at a price of 75,000. Okay. So now tell me, okay, 75,000. After that, now one person came, he said that he one of his friend came, means the shopkeeper friend came, he said that do you made any profit by selling those TVs at 75,000? Because he don't know at what price this person has brought the TV. He bought the TV at 55,000. Okay, he bought the price shops at 55,000 TV and he sold at 75,000. Obviously it's a profit, but the person doesn't know this one. So the shopkeeper said that yes, I made a profit. I made a profit. And what I told you, I made a profit. Why? Because I have paid how much? 55,000. Okay, to bring the TVs to my shop. Okay, so 55,000 I have paid it to bring the TVs to my shop. And how much they have paid you so as to get those TVs? 75,000. So I am getting more than the value. Okay, 55,000 is the value by which I brought the goods. Okay, now they are paying me how much? They are paying me 75,000 for those TVs. So I told that it's a profit for me. Okay, so they asked me how much is the profit. So obviously the bigger value minus smaller. When you do subtraction, you will do bigger minus smaller, na? So rupees 75,000 minus rupees 55,000. So rupees 20,000 is my profit over all the TVs which I have made, or all the TVs which I have brought or I have sold. Clear up to here? Okay, so let me add a small point in this so that your concept will be more clear. So up to here it's clear. Okay, now let me first tell you that this is the amount or cash which has been paid by the shopkeeper to the distributor to get the TV. So it will be termed as a cost price. Okay, and this is the amount which a person has received against the TV which he is going to give you back. That will be selling price. Selling means what? To give it out. Okay, so what he is saying, see, the TVs are going outside and the cash is coming inside. So when I am getting the money, that's the selling price. Why I am getting the money? Because I am giving you the TVs, 30 TVs, and here I am getting the TVs. For that I am giving you the money. So something, for example, it's not like that. If you're getting something, you have to pay for that. So he is getting something, he is paying. So with respect to, see, one thing you have to keep in your mind, one thing. What is that one? See, you have to see this one with respect to a single person. See, in case if I will be this person, if I am this person, so I am this one, what I am doing, I am giving out the TV, I am getting the money. So it's not a cost price for me, it will be a selling price for me. Okay, but if I am shopkeeper, okay, I'm explaining you with respect to every aspect. Okay, if I am shopkeeper, so what I am doing, I am getting the TV, I am giving the money, so cost price. I am selling the TV, I am getting the cash, selling price. Okay, now if I am customer, okay, So I am getting the TV, I'm giving the cash, so cost price. I'm not selling it. So you have to see with respect to a single person. If you will say sometimes in first part of the question you will see as a distributor, so something else you will come answer. And in the second case, if you will see as a shopkeeper, you will get something else. So always try to be a one person. Just like see, this person is engaged in both the things. Just like he is getting the TVs, he is selling out the TVs. He is getting the TVs, he is selling out the TVs. So getting the TVs is a cost price because he is paying for that, he is getting some goods. Okay. Next, when he is selling out the TVs, okay, when he is selling out the TVs, what he is getting? He is getting the cash back. So this is the person who is engaged in both the activities. That's why he is in the middle. See, he is getting the TVs from this person. Okay, from this one is getting the TVs, and to this person is selling out. So with respect to shopkeeper, I was explaining everything. Okay, so with respect to shopkeeper, if he has given out the money, means money is going out, means he is getting something, so he is getting TVs. Okay, now when he is getting the money, how he will get the money? Obviously, when he is selling the TVs, the customer will give him the money, so cash is coming back, money is coming back, so it's a selling price. Clear na? Okay, now let me add a small point in this one so that your concept will be more strong. Okay, see, now the next, okay, now you see, so assume that, okay, that was okay, assume that this is at Nasik, ऐसा ही क्या ना, this place is at Nasik. Okay, so how many TVs he brought? 30 TVs. So now is it possible for the shopkeeper who is at Kolkata to bring the TVs, okay, without any transport? In his hands he cannot bring 30 TVs. Obviously he need to have some transport. So what he did, okay, the shopkeeper went to the Nasik and he said that I need 30 TVs. So the distributor said, okay, I will pay you 30 TVs. And what is the cost of that 30 TVs? As I told you, 55,000. Okay, he told me that 50 rupees, 55,000 you have to pay me for the TVs. I told him, okay, I am ready, I will pay you, because whatever the cost is there, I am going to sell it at a higher price. Okay, I got that one. After that, is it possible for me, Suresh, to bring those TVs without the help of any transport to this place, Kolkata, or to my shop? It's not possible for me. So what I will do, I will use a transport. Okay, so I went to the person and I talk with a person just like a carrier. Any transport person is there. ENAS transport. Okay. So transport person is there. So he said that I will take this 30 TVs to the place where you are saying, but I will charge around 15,000 for that. I told, okay, no problem, you also take 15,000. Okay, I paid him 15,000. Okay, so from there, okay, anyhow I managed to come to my place. Okay, I have reached here. And here I need to, what we do, I need to bring it down everything, because it is in the truck or somewhat any vehicle is there, heavy vehicle is there. So from there it should be at the inside my shop, so it's not my work. So what I told some of the laborers, I have explained them this one, that what you have to do, how to arrange them. They told that okay, we'll take it around 5,000 rupees. I told okay, no problem, you arrange them everything, I will pay you everything. So at last, after paying these amounts from here, I got the TVs at 55,000 and I used the transport. He took me 15,000. From here I took it to the shop. Inside the shop it is being placed nicely. They took 5,000. So after paying number of charges, it came to my shop. Okay, these are middleman charges. Okay, so now you understood shopkeeper. So shopkeeper, now it has been brought to shopkeeper. Now what is the, now if any person comes to ask you that how much price it has been taken, or it has, you have paid to bring 30 TVs from this place to here, what you will tell me? It's not 55,000. It is 55,000 plus 15,000 plus 5,000. Why? These are the charges which has been incurred, okay, to bring the goods or the TV from that place to my place. Okay, so these are things you are going to add. Now sir, what does this means? As you told me that this will be a cost price, because this is the amount which shopkeeper is paying to the distributor. Then what are this? These are overhead charges. What do you mean by overhead charges? The expenses or the charges which I am going to pay over the goods which I have brought it for the first time. Okay, you listen me clearly, it should be your first time, it's not should be after 3 months. For example, I will give you an example also. Okay, for the first time, whenever you're paying anything over the goods, that's all being termed as overhead charges. They will add up to the cost price. For example, if I am only there, okay, I'm just keeping in this one in my I'm just being in a situation, I'm a shopkeeper, I'm going to buy it 55,000. So obviously I will pay this all thing to bring to my shopkeeper shop. So now, so 30 TB's cost is how much? Total 30 TB's is total cost, let me see, total cost how much has been incurred? 55,000 है ना, 55,000 plus 15,000 plus 5,000. How much total cost? 50, 50, 60, 70, 75,000, 75,000. So if any person is coming to me and he is saying that I need 30 of your TV, okay, that's customer, okay. So what I will say that should I means I will consider 55,000 and I will sell the TVs to him, or I will consider 75,000. Sir, obviously you are going to consider 75,000. Why? Because all these expenses, overhead charges, what you are saying as overhead charges, these are overhead charges, these are being paid by you, okay, by me, so as to bring them. This is not my goods, okay, I'm here so as to make a profit. For that I will always sell the goods, okay, at higher price at what I brought. So I brought it at 75,000. This is the cost price. Remember, whenever there is a overhead charges or one time charge, or you have paid anything over the goods for the first time, they will all add up to cost price and they will increase the cost price, and based upon that one only you are going to decide all your answers, whether it's a profit or loss. So no need to consider the previous cost, okay. So now my cost price is how much? So this is my cost price. Clear? Okay, this is my cost price. Now if I am going to sell it at a price, okay, so he is saying me that you sell me the goods, the 75,000, you know, he is saying to sell me. So I told him, okay, I will sell you at rupees 1,05,000. Okay, because see, so many hurdles it came, that I went to this person, the time got wasted. From after that I went to this labor also to ask for help, many things I did. So for that there is a huge loss of my time also, effort also. So for that everything I'm going to charge that. So it's 1,05,000. So my cost is 75,000 for 30 TVs and I'm going to sell it at a 1,05,000. So tell me, is the profit or loss? So obviously you're selling at a price higher than what you have brought. You have paid 75,000, but you're going to get 1,05,000. So you're getting more than what you have paid. So it's a profit for you. So profit means how much? Profit is 1,05,000 minus 75,000. Okay, so how much? 30,000. 30,000 is my profit over the 30 TVs. Okay, clear what is a profit and how a overhead charges works? Clear? Okay, the next one. Now in case I everything is as it is, okay, no problem. But for example, because of some reason that this TVs what I have brought, okay, it had been means out of the market, means they are not being used by the customers, because it may be that the technology got changed or something else, okay. Just like see now, previously we used to have that box type TVs, we used to have that we usually call in our language the dabba TVs, okay. So we used to use those TVs. Those are very good TVs, okay, as compared to now, okay. These are very good TVs, okay. Previously we used to have, just like they doesn't have the remote also, if I remember, okay, we doesn't have used to have the remote also. So then if I want to, just like if I'm open the TV, I'm watching any channel, in case I need to go for any other channel, so we have to go up to the TV and there are many switches, we need to press them, then we have to go, if it's increase in volume or change in the channel, we used to do like that, Now you are having the TV, wireless TVs are there, okay, remotes are there, many things are there, okay. So now if I am going to sell those box type TVs in my shop, should anyone is going to come and buy those? No. Now the time is for LCDs, LEDs, and just like Sony Bravia, many things are there, okay, in the market. So these things happen. So because of change of technology, now these TVs are not being sold. So what I did, so no one is coming forward so as to sell that. Okay, so what I did, so I told that I'm going to sell it. If anyone is want to buy, if I will sell them at 50,000. I will sell them at a 50,000, because by keeping in my store is of no use for me. So then it will be a less price now. So what will happen if no one is coming to forward to buy those TV? So nor I am going to get a single penny, rather than I will get 50,000. No, I will not get anything. So that's why I told them I will sell you at 50,000. Now you see that I am saying that you pay me 50,000, I will pay you the TVs. So is a more value as compared to this one. This is a base price. So with respect to this one only, I will decide whether it's a profit or loss for me. Sir, you have paid 75,000 and you said you will get 50,000. So it's a less than that. So that will be a loss. Loss is equal to, so loss will be always, this will be bigger, na? Bigger, 75,000 minus 50,000. Clear? So what is the loss? You subtract, you will get your answer. Now you tell me one thing, that loss we can write like this: loss is equal to, what is this one? In loss, you understand one thing, that loss, when it will be a loss, when I am going to sell anything at a lower than the price which I have brought. So bigger value will be always the cost price in case of loss. Okay, so we can write cost price minus selling price. So this is the formula. When loss will happen, when cost price is greater than selling price. Clear? Okay. Now when a profit will, now okay, now you have to find out loss percentage in case. So loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Clear? In case of profit, when a profit will be there, when I am going to sell the goods at a higher price means selling price will be more, है ना? In this cost price is more, previously the selling price will be more, bigger minus smaller. So formula is selling price minus cost price. So whenever selling price is greater than cost price, we will have a profit. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price multiply 100. Clear? This is the formula. So these are the basic things. Okay, so go through the basic things, and these are the overhead charges. Okay, so whenever overhead charges is there, so you have to add all the overhead charges, then it will be a cost price. Okay, in the question if they are saying also that this is the cost price, okay, so no need to listen to them. You understand this is a cost price, keep in your mind. After you add back everything, instead of writing cost, you will write total cost, or you will write new cost. New cost is 75,000. Clear? Clear na? Okay, so these all are overhead charges. Overhead charges I explained you, everything I explained you. Okay, these are the basics. Okay, go through the basic clearly, and I will be coming with you more 2 parts of the video, and will end the chapter. Okay, thank you.